Are you tired of the endless daily grind and those exhausting late nights just spent catching up? What if I told you there are 7 completely free AI tools that can act as your tireless 24/7 personal assistant? They can professionally write your emails, design stunning slides, and instantly answer customer messages. These tools can even generate passive income for you, all while you're sound asleep. It's not a dream, it's the power of smart automation, and I'm about to show you exactly how it all works. Number 1. Gamma.app. Forget spending hours on presentations. Just give Gamma a prompt, like create a sales pitch for my SAS. In seconds, it builds a full interactive deck with images, charts, and copy. It's not a template. It's a complete first draft that looks more like a sleek web page. Plus, it's fully editable to perfectly match your brand. I used it to land 3 clients last week because I could create a custom professional pitch in minutes. Number 2. Notion.ai. This is your personal writing assistant built right into your workspace. Highlight messy meeting notes and ask it to summarize this for clean bullet points, or draft a polite follow-up email. It handles the tone perfectly, understanding the context of your page. I use it for everything from brainstorming to structuring plans, and it genuinely saved me 8 hours of tedious writing and organizing last week alone. Number 3. OpusClip. This is a content creator's secret weapon. Upload any long video, a podcast, webinar, or YouTube talk, and its AI automatically finds the most viral moments. It doesn't just cut them, it adds dynamic captions, reframes for vertical video, and gives each clip a virality score to help you prioritize. I turned one 20-minute talk into 17 clips and got 200K views in 4 days, driving a massive surge in traffic. Number 4. Canva's AI image generator, Magic Media. Stop scrolling through stock photos. Just describe the image you need, like professional LinkedIn banner for a coach, minimalist style. Boom! You get multiple unique options in seconds. Try adding details about color and mood for even better results. It's perfect for creating custom blog headers and social media posts that perfectly match your brand. No more hiring designers for simple graphics. It's like having one on call. Number 5. Fireflies.ai. This AI assistant joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls to record and transcribe everything. Afterwards, you get a full transcript, a concise summary, and a list of action items. You can even search across all past meetings for keywords. I used to spend 30 minutes writing notes after each call. Now I just review the AI summary. It's perfect for freelancers juggling calls, ensuring nothing ever slips through the cracks. Number 6. Pair ChatGPT with Zapier to build your own automations. Zapier connects your apps, and ChatGPT provides the brain. For example, set up a Zap where adding a blog idea to a Google Sheet triggers ChatGPT to write a full article, then auto-publishes it to your website. You can automate almost any repetitive digital task. I wrote 12 article drafts in one afternoon this way. It's about putting your content creation on autopilot. And number 7. Tegi.ai. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to filter resumes. Tegi beats these bots. Paste in your resume and the job description you're targeting. Its AI analyzes the job for keywords and rewrites your resume to be a perfect match, getting you past the filters. This ensures your qualifications are actually seen by a human. One user went from 0 responses to 3 job offers in 48 hours. It's a massive competitive edge. These aren't just tools. They're your personal time machines, designed to reclaim hours from your work week. Imagine finally automating all those repetitive tasks that drain your energy and creativity, freeing you up for strategic thinking. To make it incredibly easy for you, I've spent weeks compiling everything into one comprehensive guide. Inside this free PDF, you'll find direct links to every tool, step-by-step setup guides to get you running in minutes, and my personal pro tips, the secrets I've learned from years of experience. This is the ultimate shortcut to boosting your productivity. Don't wait, because resources this valuable don't stay free forever. Click the link in the description below to download your guide now and take control of your time. Start working smarter, not harder, and reclaim your time to focus on what truly matters.